In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to track your order on Temu. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the U page. Click on the option Your Orders. Inside this section, make sure All Orders tab is selected and you can view every order you have placed, including those that are still shipping, already delivered, or even returned. Now simply tap on the specific order you want to track. You'll be able to see detailed tracking information, including the current shipping status and estimated delivery updates. If you don't see your order listed under all orders, don't worry. Scroll down and tap on the customer service or find other option. From there, enter the email address or phone number you used when placing the order, and if possible, include the order number from your confirmation email. This is especially helpful if you checked out as a guest or were not logged into your account at the time of purchase. Once you submit the details, Temu will locate your order and link it to your account, allowing you to track it normally from the order section. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.